Hey guys, Troy here, and today I'm going to be doing my Transformers Constructbots custom made air raid, and I showed this off in the last video, and it looks like trash right now, so hang on while I fix it. Here we go. He's a little small and low to the ground, so yeah, you know what these things are hilarious. These things are basically a folded up robot. I mean, seriously. Getting close up here. Nose cone from Bumblebee. Most of this is from Bumblebee, but there's also some parts from like Blitzwing. Like the miniguns are from Blitzwing, but the jets are from Optimus, which basically his legs are all Optimus. And feet Megatron, yeah. So, yeah. He does have visible head syndrome. You can't see it. So then you have that. Um, just for some comparisons, we'll throw in another spoiler, which will not be the next video. Bam. Here we have Drag Strip. And you've seen enough of Drag Strip. So there's like one comparison. Just for the heck of it, here he is with Transformers Dark of the Moon, Decepticon Shockwave, which is broken, but that's okay. As you can see, he's missing his turret because he had surgery done on him. The gun broke. So then you have that. He does come with a weapon. He comes with Optimus Prime's little missile gun here, and yes, it does shoot. It's a friction ball thingy. Just peg it on top of there like that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get down to transformation. You want to take off the weapon right here, just like that, and you want to take this piece right here, and you want this peg to go where that gun just went. Excuse me. Oh, wow, that was a hard one. Okay. So let's get started. We'll start with the arms. So you want to take the mini guns and rotate them. Fold the arm down like that. Then you want to rotate the jet in like that. Rotate the fin like that. You want to fold the wing in like that, and then fold the jet down all the way so it's just like pointing down, and then untab the arm, and there you have one of the arms done. Second first, same as the first, as MGO would say. Yes, I'm an MGO subscriber. So fold that down, rotate this, rotate that, untab this, and extend the arm fully. I'm not sure if you can do that with the wing, but that's okay. So next you want to just straighten out the feet, or just like fold it up there, and untab the leg right here, and fold it up like that. Do the same thing on the other side. You know what, I'm thinking I should just skip transformations, because, I mean, it's basically the same thing for each figure. can't see what I'm doing, so let me raise my camera. Wow. Okay, if you didn't see any of that, here you go. See if you can do it. And flip the fan around like that. Okay. Now let's try this one more time. Oh my gosh. Flip the fins up like that. Couldn't see what I'm doing. I'm a fool. I'm a fool. I'm a fool and I was made that way. I'm just gonna... so flip that around. Do blah 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 blah. Do all that stuff. Flip this down. You can take his gun and put it on his back. No, you can't. Never mind. Do not do what I'm doing. I'm not thinking right. I just woke up. I'm just kidding. No, I've been up for a while. Flip out his head. Put his chest back together. And there you have Air Raid in his robot mode. And good job, Hasbro, and good job me for making something that looks pretty legitimate. I'm just kidding, it looks totally dumb, but that's okay. That's perfectly fine. So yeah, that's pretty much it. For comparison, Wolverine in the sneak peek of Drag Strip. So, yep, Drag Strip and Air Raid together. And Air Raid's the last of my Autobots, by the way, so you'll see a Decepticon in the next video. Which might be soon, which might be not. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if my phone or tablet or whatever, I can't remember what it is. My tablet can hold that much. Here is Dark of the Moon Soundwave. Oh, one more step I forgot. And once again, light pipes very well. I haven't reviewed this guy, but that's okay. So, here you have that. One thing I don't like about these figures is they don't light pipe. That's a really cool selling feature that they have there. Just for the heck of it, here is Bumblebee, which is being very awkward with me right now. He kind of light pipes, so I have him like that. And I'm bored, so I'm going to stop the video right here. So, if you have any questions, yeah, talk with me in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.